Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about vertical videos, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you edit vertical videos in iMovie with your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to know how to edit vertical videos in iMovie? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using TikTok or Instagram Reels, you know that when you edit a video inside of iMovie, it comes out horizontal. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your iMovie desktop. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my iMovie, and this is a video that I was editing today. So this video is going to be used on TikTok and Instagram Reels. And if you look at the video, it's kind of weird because it's vertical, but you have these black lines around it. So when I downloaded it, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's what the video looks like. Let me go ahead and just play it so you can see it just looks kind of weird. So all you're really going to need to do is I uploaded this in vertical format into my iMovie, and then I went ahead and took care of the editing as I normally would. The only thing you can't do is you can't add letters. So you're gonna have to do that in the platform like TikTok. And in order to make this vertical again, what you're gonna do is go ahead and just grab all of the clips and make sure they're all highlighted. And then what you're gonna do is click up here on this crop button. Once you do that, you're gonna see these kind of rotate things. You're gonna rotate it left. You need to make sure that you rotate them all at the same time, because otherwise you're gonna have some clips horizontal, some clips vertical. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate that. Okay, now you can see it sideways. Don't worry. Once you get it into your phone to upload onto TikTok or Instagram, you can go ahead and rotate that again. And then you're just going to go ahead and download it to your computer. Let me go ahead and download it. Okay, I went ahead and downloaded it. You can see right here. So now you can see when you play it on a desktop, it's going to be sideways. So you're kind of weird. But all you're going to do is go ahead and just airdrop this into your iPhone. Once you get in an iPhone, go into the editor and then just rotate it back one turn to the right, and then it would be upright. So let me go ahead and do that in my phone and show you what that looks like. Okay, guys, I went ahead and just airdropped it right into my phone. As you can see, it is still horizontal. Don't worry. What you're going to do is click on this little edit button down here. Once you do that, you're going to see that crop button right here. Once you click on crop up here at the top, you're going to see this rotate button right up here. Okay, I rotated it, but I'm upside down, so I'm going to do it 2 more times. Okay, now you can see that it takes up the entire picture. So let me go ahead and save it by clicking on the yellow button. Okay, now you can see it is now a vertical video, so I can go ahead and upload that into TikTok or Instagram. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to edit vertical videos in your iMovie, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.